Proof that you can succeed online without going broke. Hi, I'm Rivet. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I know you've seen systems before. You've been promised results only to find out that they cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars to get started. I get it. I've been there too. I've been burnt before, skeptical, wondering if anything really works without breaking the bank. That's exactly why this funnel was created, for people who want a real shot at building online income without draining your savings. Okay, this is my own proof over the last few days. You saw it. This shows you a little closer of what this funnel does. Okay, real signups, real upgrades, and yes, they all came through this exact system that I'm using. It's just you can plug into it today. Here's the difference with this setup of this funnel. There's no $1,000 coaching upsells. All the tools you need are in one place. It's simple, it's proven, and it's affordable. It's just $10 a month and you get a free 7-day trial to start. If you've been looking for something that finally gives you a fighting chance without high-ticket pressure, this is it. Okay, you don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need to chase family and friends. You just need the right system working for you 24/7. Okay? So you've been searching long enough. Let's make this your turning point. You can click the link below this video and make this day the first day that you make a change.